And so Patreon's a way for people to connect with us that really do want to know what's going on down here at Common Bond, whether they could come in person or not. I mean, more than ever, it's just so hard to connect. And
it's actually here.
I mean, I've had people reach out to me from Pennsylvania, from Norway, from Ohio, from San Francisco. There's a really beautiful thing in our way of creating that community. We're doing this for someone. That I'm not just talking to the camera, which I am, but I'm not just talking to the camera for camera's sake. That wasn't the business plan, and it still isn't. But what I wanted was to build a way for people to come together as a community, not only for each other, but to be more connected with themselves. Now that doesn't have to stop just because we're at a distance, right? It doesn't have to stop because we're doing it on the internet and in Zoom and in Instagram and in Facebook, but Patreon's that place for us to really come together and be like, all right, this is my people. The thing that kind of keeps me going is knowing that our patrons are out there, that they're in the world, all over the world, that are supporting us, that are encouraging us, that want us to succeed, and that want us to keep doing what we do. Patreon is that place where we all get together and have that sense of community around one purpose, our common bond. I just want to say thank you. Thank you for your support. Whether you're a patron on Patreon or not, it doesn't matter. Being out there in the world is exactly what Common Bond needs, that connection, that community, and all the love that you're sending to us, we feel and we send back to you as well. And so, you know, at the end of the day, take care of yourself, be well, be safe, and honestly, I can't wait till we get to connect again. Whether it's in person or online, it doesn't matter. Just thank you.